A small drywall dent can vanish in minutes with a ready-made patch kit and a damp sponge. The video walks through materials like patch compound, a putty knife, and a damp sponge, then demonstrates tapping the patch flush and smoothing it for a seamless blend. Viewers are invited to try along and share faster variations, while the host emphasizes no heavy sanding and minimal cleanup. In under a minute, the patch dries to paint ready, proving that simple tools unlock quick home improvements. Subscribers are urged to propose bold, even easier solutions for the channel to explore next.